Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. Once open, switch to the Processes tab so you can see active apps and background processes. Sort by CPU, memory, or disk to identify the heaviest tasks first. That helps you prioritize what to close. Make sure to expand Details view if needed. This initial scan saves time and prevents accidentally closing essential system items. Now select the processes you want to close. Click one process and hit End Task to terminate it immediately. This frees resources right away. If you need to remove several contiguous items, use Shift plus click to select a range and then End Task. This speeds the cleanup. For apps that refuse to close, go to the Details tab where you can end task or choose End Process Tree to remove child processes. Be careful with system processes. Avoid terminating names you don't recognize. Finish by verifying that CPU and memory usage dropped and that core services still run. If a process immediately restarts, note its name, then check the Startup tab to disable it or open services. MSC to manage related services. If Task Manager itself cannot stop a stubborn program or the system remains unresponsive, restart Windows or boot into safe mode to remove the culprit safely. One key troubleshooting tip. If an app keeps restarting, disable its startup entry before rebooting, then uninstall if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.